Best 10 rolling carts comparison. 10-drawer rolling carts are versatile storage solutions for homes, offices, classrooms, and craft spaces. They provide ample storage capacity, mobility, and organization, making them ideal for users who need to manage tools, supplies, or personal items effectively. List number: the simple houseware utility cart is a budget-friendly option with a bright chrome finish and sturdy metal construction. Its compact dimensions, 14.25 inches D by 12.5 width by 30 by 36 H, make it an excellent choice for tight spaces, while its lockable swivel casters ensure stability during use. The perforated steel top adds extra utility for storing frequently accessed items. Assembly is straightforward, making it suitable for users who prefer a hassle-free setup. In terms of performance, the cart offers reliable storage for lightweight items such as office supplies, art materials, or small tools. However, the drawers are relatively shallow, which may limit their usefulness for bulkier items. The rolling mechanism is smooth, but the cart's lightweight frame may feel less stable under heavy loads. Overall, it is a practical solution for those seeking a low-cost storage option without compromising on basic functionality. List number: the Sikiarial rolling cart stands out as a premium option with a high-quality wooden tabletop and a rust-proof metal frame. Its dimensions, 15.55 D times 12.60 width times 37.76 H, provide ample storage space, while the colorful plastic drawers add aesthetic appeal. With a load capacity of 33 pounds for the tabletop and 11 pounds per drawer, this cart is designed for durability and versatility. This cart excels in multi-purpose use cases, such as classrooms, craft rooms, and offices. The lockable swivel wheels ensure stability when stationary, while the detailed assembly instructions and video make setup user-friendly. However, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the heavier frame, 19.76 pounds, could limit portability compared to lighter. List number: the Office Joy storage cart combines practicality with vibrant aesthetics thanks to its multicolor drawers. With dimensions of 15-inch D by 13-inch width by 34-inch height, it provides sufficient storage space for documents, toys, or craft supplies. The chrome-finished steel frame supports up to 22 pounds, ensuring durability. Its rounded handles and smooth wheels enhance portability and ease of use. This cart is a great choice for users who value organization and style. The mesh tabletop promotes air circulation, making it suitable for storing items that require ventilation. While its drawers are lightweight and easy to pull, their capacity is limited to 3 pounds each, which may not be ideal for heavier items. Assembly is straightforward, but users should exercise caution during installation to avoid injury. List number: the Sikiarial rolling cart offers a sleek design with a wooden tabletop and sturdy metal frame. Its dimensions, 15.55 inches, 12.6 inches wide to 37.6 inches height, make it a versatile storage solution for various spaces. Each drawer can hold up to 11 pounds, while the tabletop supports 33 pounds, making it suitable for heavier items. The lockable swivel wheels enhance mobility and stability. This cart is particularly well suited for classrooms and craft rooms, where its multicolored drawers help organize supplies effectively. The detailed assembly instructions simplify setup, but the heavier frame may limit portability for frequent movers. While it is priced slightly higher than other models, its durability and aesthetic appeal justify the cost. List number: the Futata 10-drawer rolling cart is a lightweight yet durable storage solution featuring colorful plastic drawers and an alloy steel frame. Its compact dimensions, 15D by 13Y by 34H, make it ideal for small spaces, while the spacious top provides additional storage for frequently used items. The lockable swivel wheels ensure smooth mobility and stability. This cart is perfect for organizing makeup tools or children's toys in tight spaces. The alloy steel frame provides reliable support, but the lightweight construction may feel less stable under heavier loads. Assembly is straightforward, and the colorful drawers add a fun aesthetic touch. However, the cart's relatively low drawer weight capacity may limit its use for bulkier items.